Sentences are like a bucket and a baby cow. They love to stick together. Welcome authors to Next Level Writing. In this video, we will be looking at paragraphing, but more specifically, how to write a paragraph in a persuasive text. Before we begin, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. A huge shout out to Renee and Monica for requesting this video, and to 3LS for supporting this channel. Thanks for helping out. Also, make sure to check out the Next Level Writing website for other videos and activities to complete, and a copy of the example persuasive we will look at in this video. The website is in the video description below. Now, back to paragraphing. Paragraphing is grouping sentences together. We group sentences together if they have the same subject. In a persuasive text, there are three main types of paragraphs: introduction, body, and conclusion. Let's have a quick look at each of these. While we are investigating each type of paragraph, we will need an example to see how they look in the real world. In this video, we will view a persuasive text written from the classic prompt, which is better, dogs or cats? First up, introduction paragraph. An introduction paragraph outlines what the writing piece will be about. Think of the introduction as a map that will tell the reader where they are going. An introduction paragraph must contain a hook, background of the topic, the author's position, which is sometimes called the thesis statement, and arguments. Let's have a look at the example. In this example, we can see that there is a hook which aims to engage the reader. Next is some basic background about what dogs are. Finally, there is the position and arguments combined together to explain what the position is of the author and what they are going to say in the rest of their persuasive. When we combine all the sentences together, we see that this is a complete introduction paragraph, one that will provide a map to what we will talk about for the rest of the piece. Next, we will be looking at body paragraphs. The body paragraphs are your arguments that support your position. They make up most of your writing because each argument will have its own paragraph. In the example introduction paragraph, there were three arguments identified. First, dogs provide protection, then they encourage exercise, and last, they build responsibility. Each of these arguments will form its own paragraph. For each paragraph in the body, there must be a point, which is the argument, details about the argument, an explanation which links the argument back to the author's position, and a connection which links to the next paragraph. Let's look at an example. In this example of a body paragraph, we can see that it starts with one of the arguments, followed by the details that support that argument. Finally, there is an explanation that links to the original author's position, and then a connecting sentence which links to the next argument. When we combine the sentences together, we see that this is a body paragraph that contains a complete argument that supports the author's position. Finally, the conclusion paragraph. The conclusion is the final paragraph. Its purpose is to review the position and the arguments that were presented. Think of it as the paragraph that will tie everything together. In the conclusion, you must restate the position in different words, summarize the arguments, do not add any new arguments here, and then present a call to action. Let's see how an example looks. In this example, we can see that the original position has been restated, but in different words. There then is a short summary of all the arguments with the finishing touch of a call to action, something that the author is requesting the reader to do. Now we have a successful conclusion paragraph, one that has summarized our position and the arguments that support that position. And there you have it, an overview of paragraphing for a persuasive text. Remember to like and subscribe and to check out the website. And as always, keep striving to take your writing to the next level.